Welcome friends. Welcome back to the AWS Solutions Architect Associate Exam Preparation Set-2. Here we will see all the questions with the real-time use case and decode the answer for the AWS certificate exam. Let's move to the next question. So the first question is, which of the following is true about Amazon S3 RRS? So the options are: Option A, S3 RRS offers 99.99% availability. Option B, S3 RRS offers 99.9 times 9 durability. Option C, S3 RRS offers 99 points and 99% durability. Option D, S3 RRS is most often used with reproducible objects. Please select your answer in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is A. C and D. S3 RRS offers 99% availability. S3 RRS offers 99% durability, and S3 RRS is most often used with reproducible object. Reduced redundancy storage (RRS) enables customers to reduce their costs by storing non-critical, reproducible data at lower levels of redundancy than Amazon S3's standard storage. Let's move to the next question. So the second question is, the customer service organization at your company just told you that a client's purchase from your website was processed twice. Your order process involves EC2 instances processing messages from an SQS queue. What changes might you make to ensure this does not happen again? So the options are: Option A, rewrite the order processing workflow to use SWF rather than SQS. Option B, increase the visibility timeout on the SQS queue. Option C, switch to long polling. Option D, manually delete the order after processing. Please select your answer in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is to rewrite the order processing workflow to use SWF rather than SQS. An SWF workflow ensures that actions are executed only once. Let's move to the next question. So the third question is, true or false? By default, Amazon RDS enables automated backups of your DB instance with a 1-day retention period. So the options are: Option A, true. Option B, false. Please select your answer in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is a true. By default and at no additional charge, Amazon RDS enables automated backups of your DB instance with a 1-day retention period. Let's move to the next question. So the fourth question is, using access keys whenever possible is best practice rather than IAM roles. So the options are: Option A, true. Option B, false. Please select your answer in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is B, false. It is always better to assign roles following the least privilege model. IAM roles grants each user a unique set of security credentials. Let's move to the next question. So the fifth question is, true or false? Availability zones in a given region are connected by low latency links. facilitating the development of fault-tolerant, high-availability applications. So the options are: Option A true, Option B false. Please select your answer in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is a true. Availability zones offer you the ability to operate production applications and databases which are more highly available, fault-tolerant and scalable than would be possible from a single data center. Let's move to the sixth question. So the next question is: you have a custom VPC for your organization. You discover that one of your developers has created an RDS instance in the default VPC and this violates company policy. You must create this RDS instance inside your custom VPC with as little effort as possible. What should you do? So the options are: Option A, use the RDS import-export wizard to migrate the RDS instance across to the custom VPC. Option B, use AWS Database Migration Service. Option C, take a snapshot of your DB instance in the default VPC and restore it to VPC by specifying the DB subnet group you want to use in your custom VPC. Option D, use the command aus RDS mvdbname VPC. Please select your answer in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is C. Take a snapshot of your DB instance in the default VPC and restore it to VPC by specifying the DB subnet group you want to use in your custom VPC. The easiest way would be to take a snapshot of your DB instance outside VPC and restore it to VPC by specifying the DB subnet group you want to use. Let's move to the next question. So the seventh question is: you are working for a real estate company and you need to be able to record configuration changes to Amazon RDS DB instances, DB subnet groups, DB snapshots, DB security groups, and event subscriptions. What AWS service should you use to achieve this? So the options are: Option A, CloudTrail. Option B, CloudWatch. Option C, Cloud Audit. Option D, Cloud Config. Please select your answer in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is D, Cloud Config. You can use AWS Config to continuously record configuration changes to Amazon RDS DB instances, DB subnet groups, DB snapshots, DB security groups, and event subscriptions and receive notification of changes through Amazon Simple Notification Service (SNS). Let's move to the next question. So the eighth question is: which AWS service should you use to host MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, SQL Server, or PostgreSQL databases where you do not need to manage the underlying operating system? So the options are: Option A, DynamoDB. Option B, RDS. Option C, Aurora. Option D, EC2 with EBS. Please select your answer in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is B, RDS. Let's move to the next question. So the ninth question is: you have an RDS database that has moderate I/O requirements. Which storage medium would be best to accommodate these requirements? So the options are: Option A, Amazon RDS Provisioned IOPS Storage. Option B, Amazon RDS General Purpose Storage. Option C, Amazon RDS Magnetic Storage. Option D. Amazon RDS Cold Storage. Please select your answer in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is B. Amazon RDS General Purpose Storage. Amazon RDS General Purpose (SSD) storage would be the most suitable. Let's move to the next question. So the 10th question is: the large manufacturing company you work for is interested in moving its production estate to AWS. They run a Joomla store which utilizes MySQL on the back end. Currently, they also use clustered MySQL databases in an active-passive configuration at a single site. By moving to AWS, they want an active-passive configuration across two geographically distinct locations, with automatic failover between the two. As their solutions architect, which of the following RDS options should you recommend? So the options are: Option A. Multi-AZ. Option B. Read replicas. Option C. Cross-region replication. Option D. Cross-region failover. Please select your answer in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is a multi-AZ. To automatically failover from one geographic location to another, you should use multi-AZ for RDS.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.